Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Messenger pin. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your Messenger and tap on the three horizontal lines right here. It's the top left. In here, you're going to want to look for the gear icon, which is right here. Tap on it. All right. Once done, scroll down until you find the option called Privacy and Safety. Tap on it. Now in here, there are a lot of options here for you. Just go ahead and locate end-to-end encrypted chats. All right. Tap on it. Then just simply tap on message storage. Tap on it. All right. As you can see here, there's an option called reset pin. Just go ahead and tap on it, and it will require you to enter your current pin, for example. All right. Again. As you can see, we have just changed. Well, in my case, I didn't change it because I don't want to forget it. But you get the point now. All right. And that's how you reset your Messenger pin. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.